Hello everyone, Peter Gomez here with ThinkOne. We are doing a 2021 summer series on fundamentals of color guard. We're going to be starting with flags. This is the first episode, which is including all of the drop spins, double time, Eastern, and Peggy Spin. So this is an episode of just spins. As you get closer to 10, you're going to be doing more difficulty like 45 tosses, toss turnarounds. The main focus for the end of the series is to be able to now be on a team, a color guard team, and be able to do all the choreography that your choreographers are asking you to do. So enjoy, we're going to have a great time. Okay, we're going to start off with drop spins. Basically exactly what it sounds like, dropping your flag from one hand to the other. So we're going to stand at second position, which is basically shoulder width. Your heels are right below your shoulders. We're going to put our pole at right shoulder. And what I want your side view to look like is we're going to put about a 2-finger distance between your nose and the pole, okay? And what we're going to do is bring the top hand to your center of your body, which is right at your abdomen. Put your thumb down. Notice how the flag is down, and so are your thumbs. So we're going to go from here straight down to here. So from here to here. Make sure the pole is perpendicular, because some people would think that this is down, but you're still at a bit of an angle, so make sure you're straight up and down. And then you're going to take the flag up, and notice my thumbs are up. Okay? So we're going to go, step 1 is here, step 2. Then just to repeat. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we're going to do an exercise that is going to take us from 4 counts to 2 counts to 2 counts of slow and then regular time. So it's going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now in 2s. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2s but smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 counts of regular. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, down, up. And now you're ready for the left side. Okay, we're going to learn how to do double fast. If you can remember this: down, parallel, up, parallel, down, parallel, up, parallel. That is the pattern that we're going to be working on. So we're going to stand at right shoulder again, 2 fingers from your nose. Second position, which is shoulder width with your feet. 1 is down. Notice the flag is down. Parallel. Exactly what parallel to the ground. Okay, now you're going to go up and then parallel again. So basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And unlike drop spins, which there's only 2 parts that you repeat, with double time there's 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you get comfortable, that's what double time looks like. All right, we're going to do that in an exercise. Same thing as we did with drop spins. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Now in 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, now regular, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, down, up. Now you ready for the left side? The next spin we're going to learn is what we call a Peggy Spin. Peggy Spin is almost like a double time, but we're not going to go parallel. We're going to go perpendicular with the entire thing. So count 1 is always going to be a drop spin. Count 2, we're going to go what I call money hand, pull it straight up. Count 3, we're going to grab over with our thumb down, and count 4 is going to be money hand again. So we got from here, we've got count 1, count 2, count 3, and count 4. Now, when we get to this next part, we're just gonna always grab over. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up. Okay, so let's do that as an exercise. So we're going to start off at right shoulder. Remember, we're going to do the 2 fingers. Second position with your feet. Always check your body language. Make sure you're looking great all the time. All right, going on from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first one's going to be a drop spin. 3, 4, 5. Money hand 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, third, fifth, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, down, up. And then you're ready for the left side. Next spin we're going to learn is what I call an Eastern spin. Count 1 is going to be parallel. We're going to grab at the center of the pole, of the part of the pole that's covered, right here, that's count 1. Count 2, we're going to bring our right hand completely extended, flag is straight up and down. We're going to switch our hands so that the thumb is up, that's 2. 3, regular drop spin with the flag up. So notice that my thumbs are down, flag is up, okay? And then we've got 4, which is like a double time. Okay, so we're going to start from here. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have parallel, full extension, drop spin, back to parallel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to do that as an exercise. Six, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, smooth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, and 8, 9, 10, and 12, third, fourth, fifth, 6, down, up. Now you're ready for the left side. So there you have it. You just learned the basic 4 spins of color guard fundamentals. In the next episode, we're going to be going over carves, some flips, and also some angles. Take your time with these episodes. Try not to get too ahead of yourself Make sure you're able to do every spin with correct execution, with correct postures, all of that, and make sure you're able to do that within tempo. Thank you all for taking this journey with us. Look forward to seeing you at the next episode.